Listen closely. The traditional bank account you're using right now is likely costing you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single year. As we sit here in 2026, the national average interest rate for a traditional checking account is a completely pathetic 0.08%. Meanwhile, inflation is quietly eating away at your purchasing power every single day. But what if I told you there is an account completely free to open that not only acts as your daily checking account, but automatically pays you significantly more on your idle cash? It reimburses every single ATM fee worldwide and insures your money up to $4 million. Today, we are doing a complete deep dive into the Fidelity Cash Management Account. I'm going to break down exactly how it works, the incredible financial perks, and most importantly, the 3 hidden catches nobody warns you about. Let's start with the absolute biggest reason you should consider moving your money to Fidelity, the interest rate on your idle cash. Most people treat their checking account like a waiting room for their money. Your paycheck hits, it sits there doing absolutely nothing. If you are at a traditional big bank like Chase or Wells Fargo, your money is basically dead. Even if you use Charles Schwab for your banking, their default cash sweep currently pays around 0.45%, a massive hidden cost of inaction. With the Fidelity Cash Management Account, your money goes to work immediately. When you open the account, you have 2 choices. The FDIC Insured Deposit Sweep Program, currently paying 1.84% APY as of late June 2026. But the real magic happens if you choose the Fidelity Government Money Market Fund, ticker SPAXX, currently yielding an impressive 3.29%. And the best part? It is completely automatic. When your paycheck hits, Fidelity sweeps your cash directly into this fund. Every single dollar you aren't actively spending is earning a highly competitive rate, a major advantage over competitors like Schwab. When you go to buy a coffee, Fidelity automatically liquidates exactly what you need from SPAXX to cover the transaction, entirely hands-off. You might be thinking, this sounds like an investment account, not a checking account. But functionally, it does everything your traditional bank does, and better. First, 0 account fees and absolutely no minimum balance requirements. You can literally open this account with $1. Second, you get unlimited ATM fee reimbursements globally. Whether you're in Ohio or on vacation in Europe, Fidelity pays you back. The reimbursement usually credits to your account the exact same day the fee is debited. Plus, no foreign transaction fees. For frequent travelers, this feature alone makes the account worth opening. Now let's talk security. A standard bank account only insures your money up to $250,000 through the FDIC. Fidelity uses a program bank model. They automatically spread your cash across a network of partner banks, making you eligible for up to $4 million in FDIC insurance. If your cash ever exceeds that $4 million limit, Fidelity has a safety net, the Money Market Mutual Fund Overflow, which automatically sweeps excess cash into a money market fund. If you choose SPAXX as your core position, it's not FDIC insured. Instead, it's protected by SIPC, which covers up to $500,000, including $250,000 for uninvested cash. Beyond the high yield and the massive insurance, you also get a free Visa debit card, free unlimited check writing, free online bill pay, and a highly rated mobile app. You can set up direct deposit, automatically schedule transfers to invest your extra cash. It is a one-stop shop for managing your financial life. But I promised you the complete truth. No financial product is perfect. The Fidelity Cash Management Account has 3 major catches. Let's get into them. Catch number 1. You cannot deposit physical cash. Fidelity does not operate brick-and-mortar teller branches. If you're a bartender, server, or independent contractor who gets paid in cash, this is a deal breaker for a primary account. You absolutely must keep a local free bank account open just to deposit cash, then transfer it digitally to Fidelity. Achar transfer holds. This is a massive issue that constantly pops up on Reddit finance forums. If you log into Fidelity and pull money from your old bank, they might hold those funds for up to 6 business days. If you try to pay rent or a credit card with that money before the hold lifts, the debit could be declined. The pro tip to bypass this, always push the money from your external bank into Fidelity, not pull it. Funds typically clear in 1 to 2 business days. No native Zelle integration. You can't Zelle someone directly from the Fidelity app like you can with Chase or Bank of America. You'll have to rely on third-party apps like Venmo or Cash App linked to your Fidelity debit card to send money to friends. So, what is the final verdict for 2026? Should you actually make the switch? If your money moves almost entirely digitally and you want to earn 3.29% on your idle cash automatically without lifting a finger, this is for you. The Fidelity Cash Management Account beautifully bridges the gap between a high-yield savings account and a functional daily checking account. If you're a frequent international traveler or active options trader, Schwab's Investor Checking also offers unlimited ATM rebates, though you sacrifice that automatic high cash yield. And if you're a passive buy and hold investor with a massive cash buffer, Vanguard's default 4.50% sweep might edge out Fidelity, but Vanguard severely lacks the banking features, mobile app, and debit card perks. For most Americans in 2026, Fidelity is the absolute sweet spot. Just remember the golden rule. Keep a basic, no-fee local bank account open on the side if you ever need to deposit physical cash, get a cashier's check, or use Zelle. Use the local bank as your cash hub and use Fidelity as your digital wealth engine. Now, I want to hear from you. What traditional bank or credit union are you currently using for daily checking? And what interest rate are they paying you right now? I guarantee some of you are getting paid absolutely 0% right now. And seeing those numbers in the comments might be exactly the push someone else needs to finally optimize their cash. If you found this deep dive valuable, hit that like button to feed the algorithm and subscribe for more highly actionable, no-nonsense financial strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.